All right, and now we are at this beautiful Brentwood home and we are remodeling the inside. We have taken cabinets out and now we are installing new cabinets to make this customer's dream kitchen a reality. But yeah, as you can see, he's using state-of-the-art laser measuring systems to make sure that everything is level and perfectly level. These are obviously going to the ceiling. He's a huge country fan. It's perfect for Music City. Yes, sir. Well, it looks great. You've got shelves going here. Island looks great. Yeah, you look good.
Yeah, looks really good.
Yeah. You know, there's nothing like in person.
Yeah.
It's amazing. I'm glad you're getting the drawing. I do this regularly, and my sales rep, Andrew, always loves my doodle. Thank you, sir.